Hey people, Demon here. Today I have a brand new Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Sorry if you hear sirens in the background. I guess something by my house happened. I don't know what. But they're pretty far off in the distance, so I think we'll be fine. I don't know if I think that's the police. Maybe it's fire department. Maybe it's ambulance. I don't know. Tell me in the comments what you think that is. It's probably police. But anyways, I have a brand new Blizzard from DQ, obviously. DQ, Dairy Queen. And this is the Blizzard called Coffee Crisp Blizzard. So a Coffee Crisp, I know it's a Canadian thing. I don't know if it's anywhere else in the world. I don't think it is. Actually, most places don't have this. Or at least some places. But yeah, Coffee Crisp is a chocolate bar that has coffee and chocolate in it. And this is a Coffee Crisp Blizzard. So we're going to try this out. It has a bittery coffee taste to it. It definitely has the chocolate bar taste in it. And by the way, the chocolate bar is really good. If you haven't had a Coffee Crisp, you should order one. Just get it. It's delicious. I can tell what they did. It's like they shredded up a Coffee Crisp and put it in there, like just little sprinkles. And I gotta say, it's real good. Chocolate bars in general are great frozen. If you never tried a chocolate bar frozen, you should freeze that. They're great frozen. Most chocolate is great frozen, okay? Freeze your chocolate before you eat it, and you'll be like, delicious. This is really good, actually. I'll be right back with my full review after I'm finished. So, as you can see, I'm finished, and the sirens are gone. Totally empty. So, did this taste like Coffee Crisp? Was it good? Was it bad? Was it worth the money? So this large one cost about $7.50 ish or so, or $7.30 maybe, somewhere around those two. It's a fair size, I guess. I wish they would have bigger sizes, but they don't. For cheaper prices, but they don't. Not where I am, at least. Was it worth it? It was good. I will say that much. The price was a little bit steep for my taste. Would I have it again? Probably not, because I like Smarties better, but whatever. But this all in all was pretty good. It did taste like Coffee Crisp. The more I ate it, though, the more it kind of started to taste like ice cream, sadly. So the Coffee Crisp slowly but surely lost its taste, sort of thing. I wish there was some chunks of Coffee Crisp in there, but I wish there was some bigger chunks in there. Maybe there is in some other ones, but in this one I got just like the smallest little of chunks in there, so that was kind of disappointing. But all in all, it was fair. Is it worth $7? Probably not. Is it the best Blizzard they have? Probably not. But does it taste like Coffee Crisp? Yes, for the most part. So it's fair. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit that bell notification bell to keep my channel content. Link down below to my Twitter. And as always, my friends, stay sane. Peace. Shadow, my baby, I love you so much. You're my baby. And you love to sleep in the bathtub. 'Cause you're a weirdo. Shadow, look over here, buddy. Look over here.